Hello again, this is Robert Schein, Managing Director and Partner of Blanke Schein Wealth Management. Today is the 27th of April of 2021. Headlines that are moving markets and items on the dashboard that we're paying attention to here at Blanke Schein Wealth Management Investment Committee. So you should be too. So let's get right to it, and thanks for watching. So let's get right to it. What moves markets most are earnings. So we always keep our eye on earnings watch, earnings season, and we have corporations, specifically the S&P 500, the largest companies, that are reporting right now. Right now we have 153 companies as of last night reporting, a lot more later this week, so this is a big earnings week. But as of right now, let's just take a look at the third that have reported. Out of the 153 that have reported so far, we have 88% have beaten the estimates. Now, that's one of two things. One, either the companies are doing better than expected, or two, the bar was set too low by analysts. I think it's a combination of both, and here's why. The average earnings beat was 17.2%. So you usually look on an average of 3 to 4% as a quality quarter for a corporation to beat. The average for the group that's already reported, a 17%, double digits. It's incredible, right? The second quarter guidance, the estimated guidance that these corporations are now giving for the, this quarter that we're currently in right now, is a 60% are raising guidance. So that's even stronger going forward. Those are all positive, right? The markets are setting all-time highs. And then the question then becomes, well, is the market properly valued based upon where earnings are? And that's what gives us the results, the litmus test. And most of all, not just the top line growth, but the bottom line, the profit margins are up 11.6% of so far that's holding up of those that have reported. So double-digit profit margins of corporations on a profit margin side, as well as the top line. So top line and bottom line, both are doing phenomenally. We will then keep updating you on the earnings season as we progress. But right out of the gate, the first third to report is very, very strong, and that's very positive for the equity markets. So our final topic that we're looking at here at Blanke Schein Wealth Management and our investment committee, more and more talk, especially from clients, is, share some thinking on Bitcoin. Now, we're not in the market of Bitcoin, right? This is a situation where it's evolving and we're studying it very closely. One of the interesting things that I'm going to report today on Bitcoin is the chart itself. The chart had a pattern of consolidation and then breaking out, as we saw this year. And the question is it consolidating right now? Or is it going to go back to all the way down to 12,000, where there's a floor built in, if you will, statistically and technically, if you look at the chart? Or on the upside right now, if it's to break out to a higher high, it has to break through the 56 range, 56,000, 57,000 per Bitcoin. Right now, we're about 55. Or do we just basically tread our way all the way through this and create sort of a sideways movement on what normal most sort of markets do, whether it's a stock or even yields on bonds, they either contract, expand, or just consolidate. This could be a consolidation right now. And we're going to be interesting to see. Now, if it breaks above the 57 resistance on the top side, it could break out to higher highs on a go-forward basis. But the charts are telling us right now that to make note of the, close to 60 mark for Bitcoin, because there is resistance right there. And that's really going to, on a future indication of where the Bitcoin trading is going to take place on a go-forward basis. So it remains to be seen. We don't know, and we're not going to predict, but those are what the technical charts tell us. And that's why I'm reporting on the Bitcoin side of things, just for the fun of it, and just to stay informed and in tune, because it's kind of a fun market to watch as well. So that's our update for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.